we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty wagon. List number 1. VIVOHOME Heavy-Duty 880 pounds Folding Utility Wagon. The body of VIVOHOME steel garden cart is made entirely of iron, which is durable and sturdy. Max 1100 lbs load-bearing capacity does everything possible. Pneumatic tires have good elasticity and noise reduction effect. Large tires are able to pass across any terrain, adapt to various road conditions, and are resistant to wear. Our carts are perfect for your use in hotels, gardens, homes, orchards, warehouses, factories, etc. It's absolutely a great choice for you. Maximum load can reach 1100 pounds, which is more than twice that of competitors. List number 2. NAVATIE Collapsible Folding Wagon. NAVATIE Wagon Zone is roundly upgraded to provide an efficient and simple solution for daily use. The upgraded zone features 306-sided rotating front wheels with brakes and a surprise side pocket. You'll have nothing to fear. Made of heavy-duty iron frame, the structure welded is absolutely solid and durable. The surface of the metal frame is anti-oxidation and corrosion resistant, and it will not fade and rust when used outdoors for a long time. The internal volume is bigger than other wagons overall. The unfold size is 32.7 x 18.1 x 20.9. List number 3. MACSPORTS Heavy-Duty Collapsible Wagon Cart. MACSPORTS is a trusted brand since 1993. Great for trips to the park, camping gear, outdoor sporting events, gardening, and much more. It folds easily into its own carry bag for compact storage. MACSPORTS heavy-duty wagons are great for camping essentials, camping accessories, camping gear, camping chairs, and camping with the family on vacations when you're relaxing in the great outdoors. MACSPORTS wagons for beach supplies to take to beach and beach accessories like beach chairs, beach towels, beach cooler within a 150 lb limit. List number 4. ECHOSMILE Heavy-Duty 220 pounds Capacity Collapsible Wagon. Made of a heavy-duty metal frame, the structure welded is absolutely solid and durable. The fabric material is made of 600D fabric and PVC coating to be waterproof and durable. No assembly required for ECHOSMILE Big Collapsible Wagon Heavy Duty. A convenient size for both storage and expanded use. Fast and easy to set up in seconds and has an attached handle to move the beach cart. This folding heavy-duty wagon can be folded compactly to store easily in a compact car or garage, ensuring easy transport. List number 5. FOLY Collapsible Folding Wagon. This folding wagon is made of sturdy steel frame structure and 600D Oxford fabric. The maximum weight of the foldable wagon is 200 pounds. The Oxford fabric is durable, waterproof, and can be removed by unscrewing the screws on the corners to clean. The wagon cart handle is adjustable and can be rotated smoothly to where you need it, and the handle will not fall off and its height is locked with joints, so there is no need to worry about the carriage being uncontrollable. All wheels are universal and replaceable. The front wheel are universal wheels, so no matter which direction you want to go,